guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a really delicious recipe. It's a side, it's a sauce, it's mushroom and apple cider sauce. It can go with anything, mainly pork I think because of the apple business with it, but it can go with other meats too. And while we're at it, please subscribe to my channel. I've got hundreds of very easy, very tasty recipes, and I'm sure there's one in there that will suit you. So without further ado, let's crack on. We need some lovely pork steaks. I've got 5 here because there are 5 of us eating tonight. These are our brown mushrooms. We need a couple of cloves of chopped up garlic, 1 whole white onion chopped, and of course some delicious apple cider. A little bit of flavour in there with some thyme, about half a teaspoon. We need some butter, and of course we need some really tasty cream. So in a pan we go with the butter. We're going to let this melt down a bit, and as soon as it has done so, we're going to drop in a little bit of cooking oil just to loosen it up. Finely chop an onion, in that goes. Then we're going to saute this down just for a few minutes till it gets nice and soft, translucent. Stir it into the butter and oil mixture. Meanwhile we can chop our garlic. When the onion has softened, we can put the garlic in. Don't put that in too soon in case it burns. Stir this around. Now just cook this down for about a minute or two. While that's happening, we can slice our chestnut mushrooms. A bit like this really. Not too thin. Pop those in. Oh, don't forget that little sneaky one. Gives this a good mix together. Get the oil coated on everything. Boy, do you know what guys, this is really smelling good already. We're not even halfway there yet. Crikey. And in goes our cider. Hold on, that's not enough. Little drop more. And then we go in with the thyme. Sprinkle this over nice and evenly. In with a bay leaf, scrunch it up a little bit, loosens the flavours. Then we can go in with our cream. Now we want to simmer this down for about 15 minutes until you can pull it away from the bottom of the pan like this. Don't forget to remove that bay leaf. And there you have it. Doesn't that look wonderful? Served up with a pork chop, mashed potato, and beautiful. It looks beautiful. I do hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Please try it for yourself, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Oh yeah, I've made this before and I'll make it again. Always surprises me just how delicious it is, and it goes with pork extremely well. Please don't forget guys, subscribe to my channel. I've got hundreds of recipes. There must be something in there that would be great for you and your family. Don't forget to give me a like, and I'll see you all again in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.